On the topic of ArNS usability, this is one of the use cases that excite me the most actually. It's the fact that you can easily upload your application to an ArNS theme just with this one script. So what you do here is you use the Permaweb deploy SDK, and actually I've made a whole video on how to deploy your application using the Permaweb deploy SDK or the Permaweb deploy library, right? But then here, as you can see, you have an ArNS name option. You just add your ArNS option and you add an undername if you want, and everything is just going to work, provided you have Wisdom credits or you have something like the on-demand funding. But this is very exciting that you can just run, you can have your application. In this case, it's a React app, and then you just do npm run deploy, and this whole script is going to run. And what happens behind the scene actually is the folder gets uploaded, then a manifest is created, and then the index, the transaction ID of the manifest is associated with this ArNS name, and then you can access your application. Again, I think I've already shown how this works, but I'm going to go to test_merdikim, and you can see the application that lives on there. So coming back here, the fact that I have this little Chrome extension here, which is called Wayfinder, I can just do AR:/test_merdikim, and this will redirect me to this application, and you should see the application just there, right? Like it's really mind-blowing to me that this actually works as expected. You can see the application is there, right? If you want to know how you can have this script in your application and how it works and all the parameters, watch the video that are recorded about deploying your application on the Permaweb using Permaweb deploy. If you have an ArNS tab, you might as well make it to use and have that functionality. It's really, really mind-blowing to me that this exists, and it's as easy as this one script. In fact, if you have Wisdom credits, you don't even need to have this on demand, right? You can remove the on demand. And also, if you don't want to deploy on an undername, you can remove the undername, and this will just deploy directly to the ArNS name itself, right? You can see how short it is, and for which this first part here is already part of what we use every day to build the application, right? I can't express how much easy this is and how straightforward it is to deploy applications, and it just works. And this is the joy I have talking about all these things being built on the Permaweb, because they just come with that easiness of use, and it's very, very interesting.